about. It's your
Yeah, we gonna roll on those assholes later.
Need to take your little young ass to school. Take your pictures of your hoops and send them to me.
Somebody must have fucked you up today. You know you don't belong over here, nigga.
Yo, mama. Tell your sister, boy.
East
Yeah,
Side Baller
for
Gang,
sure.
nigga. Purple Gang. You know what it is. I'ma roll through. Soon.
Why you keep bumping into me? Boy, you fucked up?
You stupid ass punk.
Yeah. What's happening? Who else wants something? Ball.
It's a purple world, motherfucker. East Side Baller Gang, nigga. Holla, holla.
Skill.
I just saw some
Ball's
Johnny
over
Bros
here.
I want
Park
so
out
bad.
devils. You ain't no gang.
What's up?
Hey, buddy.
I haven't seen you in a while.
I'm finna run your fucking clock out there.
You got a problem, Lil G? You wanna start something with me?
Sweet Jesus.
Call me at the place tonight.
I'll remember.
Ain't no other way, fam.
Why you ain't pick up when I called you earlier?
Take
You
your
didn't
ass
get
home before OG check your pockets. Word on, man.
Hey, girl.
Where them bitches at?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Putting all this work in, and I ain't seeing no real.
I do comply. Let's ride.
All right, neighbor. You already know. I'm about to meet up with the family, blaze up something.
Yeah, I feel you. Yo, that's true. What the fuck?
Damn! Insane! I gotta call.
What the fuck are you looking at? ¿Qué pues? I said, bring it, bitch. I see, let's move it.
Man, fuck this shit.